Hey there, this is Adit Kothare from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, we're gonna learn how to delete data from list. If you remember, in last video we learned how to add data to list. But in this video, we will learn how to delete data from the list. So let's get started. So let's make a new file, tude37.py. Okay, let's take this list only. Okay, and here let's take this values also, copy and paste, sorry. Okay, so first method to delete data from a list is pop. So if we write here string dot pop, and here let's print string. Okay, so as you can see, string 1, 2, 3, but there isn't string 4 as it has been removed by our pop method. So if you do not pass any parameter in the pop method, by default it will remove the last value. But if you give a parameter here, if you pass a parameter here, suppose let's just okay, suppose if you pass a parameter here, let's say 2. See, string 1, 2 and 4 are here, but string 3 has been removed as we have passed the position of string 3, that is 2, right? 0, 1 and 2. So string 3 has been removed. Okay, so here let's write by default removes the last value. Okay, and here let's write removes the value at the position, okay, at the given position. Okay, so hope I made myself clear. So now let's move to the second method. Okay, so let's comment this one out, and here we will use remove method to remove the value. So string dot remove. Okay, so here we pass the value of the position to remove the value, right? We pass the position to remove the value. But what if we do not know the position of the value? So what can we do? We can just simply write here the value. Suppose string 2. Okay, print string. Okay, see, string 1, 3 and 4 and string 2 has been removed. So if you do not know the position of the value, you can just use remove and give the value. This will remove the value. Okay, so suppose if we pass a value that isn't in our list, suppose string 5. Okay, see, it will give you a value error. Okay, x not in list. So it will throw an error. Now what if there are two values of same kind? So copy and let's paste it here. Okay, so now there are two string 2's, so it will remove the first one, the first value. So string 1 3, this string 2 has not been removed and string 4 is there, right? So I hope I made myself clear, right? So let's comment this out. So here let's write removes the given value. Okay, the value which you will pass. Now let's move to another method, del. So here we will write del and string, and we will pass the position of the string, of the value. Okay, so suppose if I write here 1 and print the string, see, string 1 3, string 2 and string 4. Okay, so make sure when you are writing this del method, you do not have to put a point here that we used to write here. Okay, so here this also does the same thing. Okay, so right, that's it for today's video. See you soon in my next video, guys. Thank you for being with me till the end of the session.